A quilled Christmas tree is a beautiful and unique project that combines the timeless art of paper quilling with the magic of the holidays. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through each step to create a stunning, one-of-a-kind quilled Christmas tree that will add a touch of charm to your home, tree, or even as a handmade gift. Let's dive into the fun and festive world of quilling. Materials needed: paper strips 3mm and 1mm Christmas colors, slotted tool, glue, scissors, motorized slotted tool, optional, circle template, tweezers. Using the quilling tool, take one paper strip and insert it into the tool, roll the strip tightly until you reach the end. This will form a coil. Release the coil from the tool and let it loosen slightly to form a circular shape. Dab a small amount of glue on the end of the strip to secure the coil. Pinch the coil at equidistant points using your fingers to form a square. Repeat this step to create a total of 5 square shapes. Roll your paper strip into a coil using your quilling tool. Once the entire strip is rolled, carefully remove it from the tool. Let the coil loosen slightly by releasing it to your desired size, and pinch the middle to form its shape. Repeat this process and create a total of 25 pieces for this green shade. Repeat the previous step for this another green shade and create a total of 52 pieces. Fold the paper strip gently and glue them together to create a solid outline for the center of the tree. Repeat this and create a total of 3 pieces and glue them together. Let it dry completely before using it. Start by rolling the paper strip into a coil using your quilling tool. Once you reach the end of the strip, gently release the coil to loosen it a little. Gently pinch the sides of the coil to form a square shape. Repeat this process and create a total of 4 pieces red square shape. Make small tight coils using various colors such as red, blue, yellow, pink, violet, and many more. Make as many as you need. Arrange the 5 square shapes in a star pattern. Begin gluing them together. Let it dry completely before attaching it to the top of the Christmas tree. Apply small amount of glue to each quilled leaf shape. Hold for a few seconds until the glue sets. Be careful not to use too much glue, as it may seep out and make the tree look messy. Glue the red square shapes together to form the trunk of the tree. Now attach everything together. Place the longest branch at the bottom too for the widest part of the tree. As you move up to the tree, gradually use shorter branch too for the narrower layers. Continue until you reach the top of the tree. And then attach your star to the top of the tree. Thank you for following along with this quilled Christmas tree project. Whether you're creating this tree as a gift, a card, or an ornament, it's sure to be a cherished piece. Keep experimenting with different colors, shapes, and sizes to make each tree unique. Happy quilling, and may your holiday crafts bring lots of joy and creativity. Feel free to come back if you need more tips or ideas for future quilling projects. Enjoy the process and have fun. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quilling Christmas tree tutorial and found some inspiration for your own projects. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a craft. Also, feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more tutorials like this one. Until next time, happy crafting and see you in the next video.